How to apply for an exam disruption appeal for ICAEW CFAB or certificate level exams. In this video, we will show you a step-by-step process of applying for an exam disruption appeal at ICAEW CFAB certificate level and for the insolvency certificate. If you feel that your performance in an exam has been disrupted by circumstances out of your control, you can apply for an exam disruption appeal within 7 days of your exam. To apply, you need to go to my.icaew.com/examsonline. Here, you will see an option to apply for an exam disruption appeal. To proceed with your application, you need to read and agree to the privacy policy and the terms and conditions. As some of the information you provide may contain sensitive data, you do need to give consent for us to collect this. Then select Yes if you are happy for your information to be shared with your employer if required. Here you can view the guidance notes, a step-by-step guide, ask a question, or add additional information or documents for an existing application if you are still within 7 days from your exam. To continue with a new application, click Apply for an exam disruption appeal. Now you need to select the exam your application relates to and when you sat, which must have been within the last 7 days to be eligible. If you are applying for an exam for the insolvency certificate, you will only have that option in the drop-down. You will now be asked a series of questions relating to the exam disruption appeal policy. If your answer is not eligible to apply, you will see a notice appear and you will not be eligible to proceed with the application. You must be applying for an issue that occurred during an exam that was raised at the time. In the next section, you can view acceptable evidence and specific exclusions. Here, you need to explain why you are applying for an exam disruption appeal. Be sure to include all relevant details. Any evidence you have to support your application can be uploaded here. Simply click Choose File and select a file you want to add from your documents. If you have more than one file, please upload them one by one. You can return and add evidence and documents later, as long as it is still within the 7 days from your exam. To submit your application, click on the Submit button. That will send your application to ICAEW for assessment, and you will be informed of the outcome by email within 28 working days of submission.